Hey guys, Victor Costa, how you doing? Peace, love, and muscles. Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for being part of the community. Thank you so much for the likes and shares. I really appreciate that. So a lot of folks have been saying to me, hey Vic, what are the top 3 or 4 things you could tell us about staying in shape and staying fit all year round? Well, for me, these are some of the things that I do, and these are some of the things that I don't do. So number 1, I don't drink alcoholic beverages. So that means also that I'm typically not out late at night consuming calories that don't necessarily have any nutritional value. So that's one thing that I've got going for me, that it doesn't tempt me. I'm not out and about in the late evening, and I'm also not consuming any calories that don't have any nutritional value. And obviously, as you know, most alcoholic beverages, although entertaining, do not carry much nutrition at all. The second thing is I don't have sugar, and what I mean by that is I don't have any refined sugar. Now you might say, hey Vic, I saw the oatmeal that you eat, and it does have some sugar when I look at the nutritional value, and you do have a serving of fruit, and that also has sugar, but that's about the extent of it. So beyond the oatmeal that I have, the Nature's Path flax oatmeal, and natural sugars that occur in fruit, I don't have any sugar. There's no sugar added to my food. The third thing is I really believe that in order to train the abs, you have to treat them like any other body part. They're just not a seasonal body part like most people are treating them. They're treating it like, hey, let's start training around April so that we can see them in June or July, or hope to see them by June or July. And that's not really the best way to think of a vital part of your body, which is the core of everything you do. I started to shift my perspective on how I view my body. I used to think of this as my body, you know, the arms, and I would think of the shoulders, and I would really think of this as being bodybuilding. It's sort of in this area. And now I've come to really understand that I view this as my body, and these are my extremities. So the focus has been a shift from figuring out what's going on out here to figuring out what's going on in here, and letting it all stem from there. The other perspective that I've shared in other videos is I don't think about tearing things away in this area. I don't think about melting fat away. I think about nourishing the body from the inside out and allowing what's inside of you to stand out, or fortify the abs and eat to nourish the abs. And I do treat it as any other part of my body. I think of it just as vital as my biceps or my shoulders, and it's not an afterthought or a footnote to my workouts. And that's it. I've been focusing on a little bit more core work, a little bit more volume. And with respect to the diet, you know, a lot of people stop 3 feet from gold, and you guys all know that story. It's about the miner who's mining and all of a sudden gives up, and lo and behold, he sells his mining equipment, only to find out later that the person he sold the mining equipment to struck gold just 3 feet from where he had stopped. And a lot of times it feels like that with a diet, you know, that nothing is happening, or there's no changes happening, and then you give up. But that's really, you don't understand the cumulative effect of a diet or consistent training. And that's really valuable, because it feels like nothing is happening, and then all of a sudden, bam, you reach a tipping point, and then all of a sudden you notice it, or you make a recollection or a connection of what's actually been going on for a long period of time. So you pay your dues, and it will show up at some point. And I want you to believe that, because that's how it works, especially with any diet. You know, the body has to acclimate to what you're doing. It has to adjust to what you're doing. It has to figure out how to work either with less calories or more calories. So you have to give this time, and you have to allow the body to adjust to what you're putting in. And also, high quality materials. If you have an opportunity to build a house and you have a choice between using low quality materials or high quality materials, what do you think would be better off in the long run? In this case, the house is your body. So choose high quality materials, not only in terms of the types of food you get, but where you get your foods as well, and the level of foods in terms of perhaps organic food or grass-fed beef. Spend a little bit more money. A lot of folks say they don't have a lot of money to do that kind of stuff, and then all of a sudden they'll have a spending spree, go out drinking, and spend that amount of money that they could have spent on the organic food. Or they have they're saving up for a great set of rims for their car, but this is the car, this is the vehicle that needs tending to. So those are a few tips. I just want to encourage you all, keep going. You can do this naturally. Peace, love, and muscles. Don't give up. All the best. Take care of yourself. Bye. Hi friends, it's Victor Costa. Thank you so much for enjoying the video. I really appreciate you watching. Thanks for the likes, the shares, and the subs. If you look in the description portion of this video, you're going to see a free gift from me. It's a free download. It's my biceps workout, my actual workout that I use and that I use to train my clients. So I'm counting out the reps. It's my voice. It's my cadence. It's my special techniques taking you through your biceps workout. It's over an hour's worth of training, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you download it and enjoy the workout. Peace, love, and muscles. Take care of yourselves, guys. All the best. Bye-bye.